Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For all other minecart types, the optimal spacing of powered rails on a level track is to use one every 27 blocks for utility carts, one powered rail followed by 26 normal rails. However, the optimal spacing of torches is one every 13 blocks in order to keep the entire track lit at light level 8 and above.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Put the powered rail directly on the redstone block. Or, put a redstone torch below the block the powered rail is on. You can also put a lever on the ground next to the rail and flip it. And make sure it is a powered rail, and not an activator rail.
Let's help you make your mark.
One powered rail going uphill will only push you about 4 or 5 blocks uphill. Combining many powered rails together at the bottom only seems to increase your speed additively. To really go uphill you will need to space your powered rails as you are going uphill.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Activator rails cause any minecart that runs over them to drop off any player or material that is being transported. They can also be used to send a minecart from one detector rail to another. There are also several different kinds of minecarts that can travel on railways. 22 April 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.